What's up, YouTube? Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys. This one here is called Limited Edition. It is a 500 gram cake, 32 shots, and it is from the 2017 Black Cat firework lineup. Guess to see, pretty nice sized cake. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on the description for you guys. All right, there we go. Limited edition, our special. Our special, and so is this cake. Colorful, sizzling sparkles, multi-layered, sequential with crackling mines, and a double finale make this cake a prized possession. It is a multi-layered fan firing, 32 shots. You guys can see there. If you guys want to read the firework effect, you're more than welcome to. But anyways, let's zoom back out. That's it right there, you guys. Let's go ahead. Let's go out there. Let's light this one off, and at the end, let me know what you guys think. Limited edition Black Cat fireworks.